Reconfiguring a desktop node as a rack mount node. Make sure the top side of the node is facing up. Unfasten the 4 screws that secure the fan shroud to the node. Lift the fan shroud up from the node and place it on a flat, clean surface. Disconnect the fan module cable. Unfasten the 2 screws that secure the fan module cable bracket, and then remove it from the server. Unfasten the 3 screws that secure the fan module to the top cover. And then gently lift up the fan module. Repeat this procedure to remove the fan module. 2. Install the fan bridge cable dust fillers on the fan bridge cables. Align the fan shroud with the screw holes on the server, and then place the fan shroud on the server. Fasten the 2 screws on the fan shroud to secure it to the server.